Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to scrape the followers of Instagram user using a simple Python script using a software called Selenium. So Selenium is a great library for Python which lets you automate things in browser. So we will be looking at a very cool thing today which lets you scrape the followers of a particular Instagram user. You can see this is the user Instagram user. If you click the followers here tab here, it will automatically scroll this and it will automatically store all the followers in a text file with their username. So in the command line, you will specify how many followers you want to scrape, and then automatically it will log in with your Instagram credentials, username, password, and it will automatically go to this profile of this URL, and it will automatically scrape all the followers and store it inside your TXT file. So it will all be automatic process. You need not have to do any manual thing at all. So let's get started here. First of all, I will be showing you the complete script here. I have given this script in the video description link. This is my blog post here. This is Python 3 Selenium script to scrape Instagram user followers and save it inside text file. This is completely free. I'm not charging anything for this. I have made this script here where app.py here. A simple script is there, app.py, and I will be guiding you how to do this process step by step in this video. So keep watching this. And for the source code, go to the video description link to download all the source code. You will see in the screenshot all the followers will be saved inside this followers.txt file with their username at the end of this process. So now get started, guys. First of all, inside your text editor, you can see this is all the text followers.txt file. I have run this in the past, so I will showing you. Let me delete this and start from scratch. Also, let me delete this. So you need to be, I will be showing you step by step. You need to make a .env file as well to store your credentials if you don't want to expose it. So now guys, what you need to do is that make a app.py file here, app.py file. So inside this file, you need to copy paste the script that you have inside the video description link. So just go to my blog post link. So here you will see this script here. Simply copy the script here like this. Simply copy this snippet of code here. Simply click inside your Visual Studio Code, paste it. At the end of this video, I will also explain you the code as well. I have written this code. So first of all, let me show you a short little demo how the script works. So here you need to copy paste your Instagram username and password. Let me copy paste mine here with the help of env variable. So first of all, inside your command line, you need to install Selenium. Selenium is pip install Selenium. Selenium, as I already told you, is the automation library for Python. It lets you automate the things inside the browser. So if you search for Selenium, it's a very popular library, Selenium Python. It's also available for Java as well. So Python is a great library. So it's his official website here, Selenium with Python. And simply you need to install it by pip command, pip install Selenium. Now the second thing you need to install is the environment variable, which is python dash dot env. So you will find all the instructions in the given link here of my blog post. I have also given these commands link as well, pip install python dot env. So this lets you store the credentials in a .env file. So just make a .env file, and after that let me show you how I stored these credentials. Let me make .env file 1. So here what I did was export, and here I just insta user, and I just random username my, and then we exported our password in the same manner, which is insta pass. So here you need to replace your username and password like this. Simply write these lines inside your .env file. I can't show my original username and password. So you can see insta user, insta pass. That's it. Just write these lines of code inside your .env file. After that, this needs to be named at .env, not .env1, because the symbol needs to be there, this icon. After that, inside your index.php, I am just taking example how to load this. It is very simple. You need to import the os mod os built-in module here of Python. After that, we need to import our .env. So you can go to the video description link here. I have given the link in the video description link. So let me just see how I, so from .env, import .env and then load .env. So here you need to replace your whatever you have given here, insta user and insta pass. So simply write this, you will see, and then you will print this information. So I can't run this because my original information will be revealed. So that's exactly what you want to do is inside this your original app.py. So I will simply paste this. So I will make these modifications. So I will paste this code here. I will also update it inside my code as well, which is given inside the video description link in my blog post. So simply I will paste this and I will replace the username and password from this. You can even directly plug the username and password. You need not have to store it inside your environment variable. This is just for production level. If you're deploying your application to any sort of website, it's better to not expose your username and password. So that is why I'm just telling you this secure approach. So if you want to directly plug the username and password, it will definitely work. So here it is fetching the insta user and insta pass here like this. Now we can run our file here at the end. All you are waiting here, python app.py. So if I run this file here, you will see it will required parameter in the command line whose followers you want to scrape. So you need to plug the username of the user here. So I will plug this username Devon Conway to 88. So I will paste this username and then how many followers you want to scrape, 60 to 500. So basically this script recommends that you at the most you can just scrape 500, but I have tried 1000 as well, 1500 as well. This takes some time, but I will definitely, for the sake of this demo, I will take only 40 followers and then it will now launch this browser here. You will see now it will automatically fill out the details here. You can see username, password. It will directly click this not now button here. So you can see now it will go to this username and now it will click the followers button. So you will see my mouse is, I am not doing anything, it is all automated. You can see it is all scrolling it and now it is just doing its task here. So you can see your followers are saved in followers.txt file. So now if I show you, this is my followers.txt file here. You will see all the followers have been stored here. You will see 40 followers are there. You will see. You can also cross check as well if you click this option, but you can see it is scraped the 40 followers, the first 40. Muhammad Asif, you can see it is present here. Let me search here, Muhammad. So its followers are there. So you can just see it has scraped it. You can just cross check whatever. So in this way you can do it. You can see this is a username Viru Damai. This is the same present here also. So it will randomly pick the 40 followers. It will not entirely, it will be the first 40, but it will pick the randomly 40 followers from the followers list. So it is not limited to only 40. If I try now the basic higher values as well, if I try, let's suppose if I take another example here, which is Tom. If I take some more example here, so if I copy paste it, now if I want to scrape more, a maximum limit which is 500, yeah, I can scrape it 500 as well. But this will take some time as well. You need to give some time. Don't rush. And you need to be smart as well by using this tool, guys. I have made this tool in a way that it will be secure. I have put the restrictions of delay such that Instagram will not ban your account, but still you need to be wise using the script as well. This is an automation script. So if you if you use it too much, but if you use too much, then Instagram will definitely ban your account. So definitely use it securely and wisely as well. So you can see it is automatically scrolling it. So it will now pick out the 500 random followers of this username and store it inside your TXT file. So it will be nice for me to deploy this as a tool, online tool, so that users can go to a browser and they can simply type the username of the Instagram username and they can click how much followers they want to scrape. So I will definitely try to convert this into an online tool in the browser. And I want to deploy it in my freemediatools.com website. So whenever I do, I will make another video so that you can see the live demo of it deploying in the browser. So now you can see it is automatically scrolling it. So just wait. So it is so cool. Uh, you will see many videos on internet showing you the same thing, but if you want to try to implement it inside your local system, it definitely fail. But I want to make it from my own, so I just decided to code it from scratch in Python using Selenium. Selenium is a very good library, many examples, documentation is very good. So I was able to make this from scratch in Selenium. So Selenium is a great library if you want to do any automation task using Python or Java or any sort of programming language. Its documentation is pretty good. You should definitely try out Selenium. And in the upcoming videos, I will try to make more projects like this in the future as well. So it is just doing the process here. So just wait here. I will not pause the video. I will just show you all the process. So you just need to watch this. So we have provided a long value which is 500. So it takes some time to scrape 500 followers from a user. So it is doing a task here. So you just need to patiently wait and let the tool do the process for you. So just wait here. It is doing it. So this is very much useful in those scenarios if you want to do some data mining process about a particular username. If you want to find out the followers of a username, you can quickly use this tool, pick the username, and you can scrape it, and you can compare the list with you can search a particular follower inside a followers list. So this tool is helpful in those situations as well. So definitely use this tool, use wisely. So you can see your followers are saved in followers.txt file. So now you can see if I open this list here, you can see now it will almost contain a lot of followers out there. You will see this is you can see. So in this way, guys, you can just make a Instagram follower scraper inside Python using Selenium. Now I will guide you this code as well simply by. So you can see we are importing all the dependencies here. This is operating system dependency, time dependency. These are all the built-in ones. Now we are importing the Selenium. We have installed it. So now we are loading the .env and then we are providing a timeout 15 seconds. Oh, sorry, 15, I think 15 seconds. And then we are defining some function which is scrape. It is asking for the username. We are provide the username. Then we provide the number of followers to scrape. And then we are providing the Chrome. This is Chrome driver. It is automatically installed. You need not have to install the Chrome driver for a browser. So if you are using Firefox, if you are using Safari, Opera, it is a cross-platform tool. Everything will be automatically installed. You need not have to install any sort of software. Then we provide the username of this username, login username, and then we sleep for 2 seconds. Then we log the username by providing the username password. We select the username by XPath and password as well, element. XPath, if you know, in automation, we select the elements by using their XPath. That's exactly I'm doing that. I'm selecting the XPath element. Then we are sleeping for more 0.4 second. Then we are clicking the login button. Then we are sleeping for 5 seconds. Then we are clicking the not now button here like this. And then we are looping it, the followers here, automatically scrolling it. And then after that, we are saving it this inside the followers.txt file. We are writing the users here like this. That's all the program, guys. Definitely try to understand it by your own also. Just go to the video description link and download all the source code. And thanks so much for watching this video. Please like the videos, comment on this video how you felt after watching this video, after using this tool. And I will be seeing you in the next video.